Hello everyone, welcome back to Cars Corp. Meet the GR Supra A90 Final Edition, Toyota's ultimate Supra. More power, sharper handling, and race-ready upgrades make this a true performance machine. Let's dive in. A GT4-style carbon fiber rear wing, front splitter, and bonnet duct work together to enhance downforce, cooling, and overall stability at high speeds. Plus, the Akrapovič Titanium Exhaust doesn't just reduce weight, it gives the Supra an aggressive, race-inspired growl. Inside, the driver-focused cabin is packed with performance-inspired details. RECARO Podium CF full-bucket seats, a sporty Alcantara steering wheel, and red seatbelts create an immersive experience. Toyota has even added exclusive carbon fiber scuff plates for that extra touch of exclusivity. Under the hood, the 3-liter turbocharged inline-six now delivers 435 horsepower and 570 Nm of torque, pushing top speed to 270 km/h. Toyota has refined the intake system and optimized engine controls for faster acceleration and better throttle response. Equipped with kilowatt adjustable suspension, revised camber, and an active differential, handling is sharper than ever. Stopping power is just as impressive. The 19-inch Brembo brakes feature high-friction pads and drilled floating discs, delivering exceptional control and fade resistance during high-performance driving. And let's not forget, this beast comes with a 6-speed manual transmission, keeping the driving experience raw and engaging. With only 300 units worldwide, the GR Supra A90 Final Edition is a collector's dream and a fitting tribute to an iconic sports car. What do you think? Is this the best Supra ever made? Let me know in the comments. And if you love performance cars, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more epic reviews.